Emily Ames, and I help health and wellness brands grow through online courses, passive income, digital products, and I have templates and tech tips to help you get there. So in this tech tutorial, I want to show you how to connect your blog RSS feed into Pinterest so that it will auto-publish amazing pins like this when you publish a new blog post. So you don't have to come into Pinterest and set this up manually. So this is a really great way to grow your Pinterest account easily without any extra work. And you just have to set this up once. And then anytime you publish a blog post on Squarespace, it will automatically publish to Pinterest as well. And I'm going to talk about how to also get the Pinterest pins to look like this so that it's not just a blank image and it's pulling an image that will easily make it identifiable in Pinterest as to what the blog post is about. So what I want you to first do is make sure that you have your website claimed in your Squarespace website claimed in Pinterest. So if you don't have this website here claimed, I want you to watch my other tutorial on how to claim your website. That needs to be the first step to get done, where Pinterest actually recognize your website, your Squarespace website as your own, and you claim it. So watch that tutorial first, and then once you have your website claimed, I want you to go over here and I want you to go to claim external accounts. Okay, so this is where you can go to claimed accounts and make sure your website is claimed. Just double check that you have a website here that says claimed. And then once that's all set, you can then go to bulk create pins over here on the left side and scroll down to this section that says auto publish. So as you can see, I already have my URL set here to auto publish. And if you want to auto publish your blog, all you have to do is click add website here, and you're going to want your RSS feed URL. So what this is, as you can see, it's basically your domain name /blog/format equals RSS. So I'm going to show you the format here. So if you have your own domain, like I just had, it was emily-ames.com/blog/format equals RSS. So just use that. Or you can use, if you've got the site name.squarespace.com, you can use this format instead if you don't have your own domain. So this is just in the Squarespace Help Center if you need the actual domain, but you can just copy that here and input your own domain information. And where it says page slug, that's where you're going to put the name of your blog page. Okay, so again, just so you can see mine, you'll see that it's emilyames.com/blog and then this extra format RSS. So that is the URL you are going to need. And if you just put in www.emilyames.com, there's going to be an error. So that won't work. You need this RSS feed URL. Okay. And then once you have that, you're going to pick a board that you want your feed URL to be put onto. Add your RSS feed here, and I will show you basically once you have that set up, it will automatically start auto-publishing your blog posts that have already been even written already to your Pinterest account. Give it 24 hours maybe to make sure that it's working correctly. And basically, I'll show you what happened when I first did this. These didn't come up. Basically, it was bringing over blank images because I had blank images on my blog post. So it was just bringing over these blank pictures. And that's great, but I wanted them to look like this. I wanted them to have this really bold statement that are easy to find on Pinterest, and it makes you want to click. So I said, well, okay, I have to now put my blog posts in a different format, because if they are going to be pulling into Pinterest, I want to kill two birds with one stone and make sure that Pinterest is having my posts look like this. So all I'm suggesting as this next step is, as you are building your blog up, making sure to use images like this instead of just blank images on your blog posts. And I'll show you what I mean. So I had to go back, and I went back to my blog and I changed all the images just because I wanted it all to be cohesive. You don't have to do that if you have a lot of blog content, but going forward, I would suggest this when you are creating a blog. So Pinterest will pull the image that you have on your blog content under settings here. And you always want to add an image here, this featured image. This is the image that Pinterest will pull. And so, of course, I wanted to make this a really nice image for Pinterest. So I have Pinterest templates, Canva templates, if you're looking for something. So on my website, I have Pinterest Canva templates that you can use, or you can obviously in Canva create something like this and upload it. And that is what Pinterest will pull. As you can see, it started to pull all of my pins that look a lot better. And also, if you go back here, I also wanted to go another step when I'm creating a blog post, and that is to also bring in, when I'm editing here, my blog post, I'm bringing in the image so that it also looks like a Pinterest pin, so that people can save it to Pinterest, because anytime someone saves your content from your website to Pinterest, that's, again, free work for you. That means your content, your website is going to get out there even further. So what you want to do, and this is just, again, a suggestion, I added all of my Pinterest pins just as kind of the top image here. I used to have just that blank image that was just generic, and I said, no, let's brand it to my branding. And to turn on this Pinterest save button, I will show you how to do that now. So first, you're going to want to navigate to this settings gear here, back on your main website page here. And then I want you to first go to third-party tools and make sure that you have your Pinterest connected. This also is going to also help push that RSS feed. I forgot to mention this. This is super important as well. We're going to want to make sure that your Pinterest is connected to your Squarespace here. So go to third-party tools and connect your account. While you're at it, make sure you connect your Google account and your Instagram and your Pinterest so that this can also feed your Pinterest auto-publishing. Okay, so once you get that connected, you then also want to go to the website here, this section, and go down to Pinterest Save Buttons. And then you want to enable this for either just blogs or blogs, pages, and products. I have it on everything, and you can show a small or a large button, a rectangle or a circle. I like the rectangle so people know it means to save this. And this is just a preview of what it would look like. Now, this is, again, going to help people who use Pinterest regularly. Maybe they read a blog post of yours and they said, oh my gosh, this is a wonderful post. I want to save this for later. And again, that's going to just drive more traffic to your website because people are going to see their Pinterest pin in Pinterest as well. So making sure that is enabled will also give you more traction, okay? So click save, and again, just when you go and build your blog, this is just that suggestion to add, when you're adding images, make sure they look like a Pinterest pin, to draw people in, because now your content from Squarespace is going to Pinterest, so you want to make sure it's clickable. So as you can see, when you go to my website here, I'll show you, when you go to my blog home, you'll see it also pulls, I've got my fan favorite posts, and then you see it also pulls the image here. So it just looks very cohesive. It draws them in. You can use whatever Pinterest style you like in Canva, but this is just, I wanted to go for a very bold look. And then when they click on it, again, they will get that ability to save on Pinterest. Okay, so once you do all those steps, anytime you publish a new blog post on Squarespace, it should then auto-publish to Pinterest. And this is how I got all of these onto my Pinterest account, and I don't have to worry about that when I and go back and do it manually. So I really hope this was helpful. If this was helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on, I use Kartra, Canva, Squarespace, Pinterest, and my goal is to help you build up your business, use digital products, sell online courses. So definitely check out my stuff. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them below this video. Thank you.